Thank you for choosing a Mitsubishi Electric inverter. In this video, we will explain how to set up the Mitsubishi Electric FR-E800 general purpose inverter. First, open the box and remove the FR-E800 inverter. Then, make sure all the contents are there. Before installing the inverter in an enclosure, loosen the mounting screw on the upper left side of the front cover. Then, remove the front cover. Next, remove the wiring cover. The method for removing the wiring cover depends on the inverter's capacity. To remove the wiring cover of an inverter with capacity of 0.75 kilowatts or less, pull the cover out along the guides on both sides. To remove the wiring cover of an inverter with capacity of 1.5 kilowatts or more, find the hole above the word "push" on the wiring cover. Insert a tool such as a flathead screwdriver into the hole and push it about 3 millimeters inwards. And pull the cover out along the guides. Next, we will install the inverter in an enclosure. Avoid places in direct sunlight and with high temperatures and humidity. Firmly attach it with the screws to a sturdy, non-flammable surface so it is perpendicular to the floor. When tightening the screws in the upper mounting holes, tilt the screwdriver 7 to 10 degrees. Make sure the screws are firmly tightened. This completes the installation process. We will now wire both the main and the control circuit terminals. Use crimp terminals when wiring. This is how to wire the main circuit terminals. First, attach the power wires. Then connect the ground wire. Connect the power wires to terminals R, S, and T. Do not connect the power wires to the U, V, and W terminals, as this will damage the inverter. Then connect the ground wire. Next, connect the motor wires to the U, V, and W terminals. After completing the wiring, reattach the wiring cover. Install the cover along the guides on both sides. Next, we will wire the control circuit terminals. Use bullet connectors when wiring. Insert the wires into the terminals. Reattach the front cover. Then, tighten the mounting screw on the upper left side of the front cover. This completes the instructions for installing and wiring the inverter.